In PowerMill 2017, the usability of the toolaxis limits functionality has been improved, and you can now automatically define them when you have an MTD file available. This feature will automatically limit the tilting and rotating movements of the machine, but will not limit the X, Y, and Z axis. So I'm now going to show you what this means in practice. So on the left hand side, I've got two finishing toolpaths already calculated. The first one does not have the automatic toolaxis limits option checked, while the other does. So I've got my machine file, and in the MTD I've set my limits. So if I simulate the first toolpath, so the non-limited one from the start, you will see that my tool goes down and machines the part. If I now simulate the other one, you will notice that the machine bed has changed its angle. So if I simulate this, the tool is still vertical, but the machine bed angle is different. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to activate the limited toolpath, enter the settings, and in the machine tool tab, you obviously can select your machine tool, the model location, and you've got these two checkboxes to be ticked if you want to apply this new feature. So this allows PowerMill to use the machine tool information, and this does the same for the rotary axis configuration. So in the drop-down menu for the tool axis, you will have tool axis limits, where you can choose the mode. So you can either move the tool axis or remove those bits of toolpath that cannot be calculated because the tool axis limits have been hit. So if you untick this box, you can set the limits manually. If you tick it, those limits will be automatically applied based on the information available in the MTD file. You can also draw these limits in case you want to, so you can see the green areas and the red areas are the go and no-go areas for the tool. And you can calculate your toolpath once you're happy with the result.